Okay, friends, so today I want to share with you a couple of tokens that I think I'm very certain that they will pump and that they will do very high profits. And these tokens, just for disclosure, are two of the tokens I have invested in. Some money, quite a little bit of money. And before I start, as always, none of this is financial advice or should be taken as such. So do what you want with this information. Okay, so let's begin. The first token I want to show you guys is Cat Getting Fade. So this token, as you know, Solana is being I only show basically Solana tokens because these are the ones that are the most juicy, the most profitable. I could begin exploring other blockchains, but Solana so far has given me by far the most money. So that's what I'm focusing on. Anyways, so Cat Getting Fade. If you have been living under a rock, just let me brief you on this. So Solana right now has been taken a blast by the cat theme of meme tokens, meme coins. So there is a plethora of cat coins, of cat memes that are coming to life right now as I'm speaking, like literally. Dozens of cat coins are being created right now. And most of them, of course, are garbage, are scams, but there are others who are very, very profitable. In fact, I could begin showing you other tokens for cat related, but I will have to see in the comments if you're interested about only cat tokens for the next few days. So this current theme, everything that has cats in its name and a good, decent liquidity, like right here, is almost guaranteed to go to the moon, or at least give you some profits. And by profits, I mean X2, X3, you could multiply your money by several times. So this token is very good, as you can see. This is high liquidity. I already checked this on other websites, so there's high liquidity. The pools have been distributed. I mean, the tokens have been distributed, so no rocks, nothing like that. And this is a perfect point for entry. In fact, I already just entered here, but this, as you can see, is a perfect point for entry because we're starting to see an uptrend, a reversal. So we have this big dip, and now we're seeing the reversal in this is a massive increase upwards. So I am expecting this to continue all the way here, which is the similar resistance levels that this token has previously reached. So far, this will be the all-time high, but I think this could either break and go past this all-time high or reach similar levels, in which case you will be getting a good X2. So you can multiply your money by 2 times. So, I mean, you will get 3 times the amount you put, right? So, this is very good, a very good token that if you manage to snipe in these current levels, it will be guaranteeing you to give you a lot of profit. And that's basically what I have to say for Cat Getting Fade. So Fade, you know, it's on the coins slang is very popular, so it's kind of combining two of those two mimetic properties, if you know what I'm saying. So it could get very viral indeed in the coming days. Okay, so the next token I'm going to show you is an egg, basically just an egg on, again, Solana. And again, this is a very nice token. This is a very nice meme coin. I already invested in this twice. I missed this because I kind of faded it, to be honest. I wasn't sure. I was looking at other options, invested in those other options, and I kind of missed this massive I mean, I will be getting, wow, this is almost 20x. This is insane. Anyway, so I invested twice. I invested right here, and I kinda got some of my investment back. I kinda panic sold, but I still got not a big of a loss. And then again, I invested right here, and then I sold right here. So this is a very nice token. Has given me some profits. This is a solid X2, X5, X2 right now. So imagine if you were to invest right here, and you'll be hoping for the resistance levels of the previous before the all-time high. You will be getting a nice X2, probably more if you go higher, all the way down to, all the way up to the all-time high. You will get X3. So this is a very nice token. This could be. Just the simplicity, man. The simplicity of the meme coin, right? It's just an egg. It's literally an egg. And the influencers, they are getting some influencers behind this project. I think they got, look at this. They got Instagram, they got Telegram, TikTok, they got Twitter, they got web. This is everywhere. Very few times we see a token get into TikTok and Instagram. So the guys, the devs behind this project, they have big plans for this, for an egg. This is not just an egg. So definitely a good token to snipe. Definitely a good token to cook. This could be a very nice solid gem. I am going to invest again right here. I'm waiting for a small dip, but if it doesn't come in the next hours, I will be investing right here. Again, hoping to reach the all-time high and even higher. Look at the liquidity. Okay, this is insane for a token. Most tokens, most meme coins, they don't even have a fraction of this liquidity, and most of them just die in a couple hours, in a couple minutes. So this is very good. This is very good. And the market cap. So this is a token that has a lot of promise, a lot of work behind it, because like I said, not many tokens go all the way to get their tail. They get the Twitter and the Telegram, but not all of them get their Instagram or the TikTok. And like I said, there are influencers behind this token. They are trying to buy massive pages of millions of followers to get more reach. So this could go very, very high. Okay, guys, so I guess this is all for today. As you know, I try to always bring tokens that most people are not talking about. In fact, I don't see really people talking about this on YouTube, especially. Very few, extremely very few people talk about this on Twitter, let alone Telegram and other media. I get this from secret forums where I participate and I gain my right to be in those forums. So I want to share some of that information with you guys. You do what you do, and you, I hope you have the best luck like I have. I only show tokens that have made me money. I don't show you garbage. So there's that. So anyways, guys, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe, all that juicy stuff. And I'll catch you up later. See ya.